Open Start Pro, new project, space, and change the name, meter, kilonewton. Click on next, finish, and add beam, finish. Now I already give you one question, right? So practice this question. Download. Now open Start Pro. We need one node point. What is the procedure? LHS geometry, RHS close the snap and node box. For copy paste, we need one node point. And how to select the node? By using node cursor. And for copy paste, I use it translational repeat option. Now coming to your AutoCAD file, how many base here means steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we have 9 steps. Okay. And each step dimension is different. First 3, 3, 3, 3. So 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. And next 4.3, 4.3, 4.3, 4.3, and 333, 2.6, 3, 3, 3, and here 2.6. And next link steps, click on OK. This is your X directional. Then select the whole structure. Go to here, Z direction. How many steps? 1, 2. At the project. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again 9. Select the whole structure. Translational repeat. Z direction 9. And every distance is changes. So first 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3.2, 3.2, 3.2, 3.2, and 3.2. Next fifth 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. 3 4.1s. 4.1, 4.1, 4.1. And next last two are 4.3 and 4. 4.3 and 4. Click on link steps. Okay. And it's a real-time drawing, 5-star hotel. Okay. So X direction, Y direction is completed. Then you can observe the design. Okay. Just observe the design. My screens I set as like this. Now set as front view or top view, whatever. I go with the top view. Now here there is no beams. Delete. Delete. And next here we have, and we don't unwanted beams. Please be delete. Delete. Finish. Now one side is completed as per our AutoCAD file, and here this one alternate. Simple. Right? Delete. Okay. And next X direction is fine. And front we have extra 1, 2, 3 here. BB, AA, and 2. This is BB, AA, and 2. In that particular one, this one. These two things. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One is missing, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, one data is missing. Now select the node cursor. Select the nodes. Translational repeat in Z direction. How many steps? 2 steps. What are the distance? 3.8 and 3.4. 3.8 and 3.4 link step. Okay. And by using of add beam cursor, add it. Go to geometry Add beam from point to point. Add beam from point to point. And in middle, about to 1, 2, 3. Fourth one is gap. 1, 2, 3, fourth one and 4 gaps. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps. Okay, for ventilation they do like this. For big structures in your college structures also maximum like this only. C shape, L shape, yeah, maximum L shape, C shape of drawings will be like this. In your colleges also maximum C shape or O shape or D shape like this only. And in middle we have a for ventilational gaps. Now how many floors it is? Here there is no floors. How many floors? Here also not there. Where is our drawing? G plus 15. It is G plus 15. So present I go with only G plus 10, okay. Select the whole structure, translational repeat, Y direction, 10 means, G plus 10 means 11, and with our plinth, it's going to 12. And each floor height is 3 meters, and my foundational depth, I go to 2.8 meters because it's a big structure. So if any wind and seismic occur, so building will be safe. So that is the reason I selected 2.8 meters. And in coming to real time, they do the cellars also. They consider our 3 number is base and 2 number is cellar, 1 cellar, and 1 number is foundational depth. Like that also they can do the analysis part. But in this software, we can't go with the cellars. Everything is only single structure. But when you go to the constructional site, they consider like that. Link steps, okay. Of very big structure. Spec kuda avachchu middle lo. Now, and here I show only for the drawing, and columns or beams are lot of differences are there. Means corner columns are different type of dimensions, all corners, and middle corners are different, and here opening corner columns are different, and front columns are different. Present I go with only single column. Okay, I consider 3 type of columns. Okay, circular in front 35, sorry, 415, and close. First I will assign the models because for confusion, little bit confusion, that is the reason I selected. So here we have lot of structure. You need to select like this. So it will be selected beams also. Otherwise, you can go to the beams parallel to Y direction. It will be selected all the columns, but we need only front columns. Okay, only these columns. So that is the reason. First select that particular part, right click, new view. Okay. Now it is only highlighted for your columns. Then you can go with beams parallel to Y direction, assign. Like this you can assign it. And next, it's not total above, up to here only. Now whole structure, once you can check it out 3D model. Like this model. I think you are imagining what is the type of structure, commercial. Okay, it's a real-time building for hotel design, but I don't have total data. That is the reason I go through only plan, because I have only plan. And next, remaining columns, I go with first corner columns. The dimension is 550 by 550 corners. So set as top view, select and select. Please mute it. Who's that? Select. Okay. No need of this one. Right click, new view. Okay. It's your side columns. Then go to beams parallel to y direction. Assign. Like this, you can assign the individual column types. And then whole structure, set as, and remaining part. Right click, new view. Like this structure, you can get errors also. Define, and middle column dimensions are 0.6 by 0.45. 45. And selection, beams parallel to y direction. Assign. Whole structure. Now you can check it out, the 3D model. Like this. And next, beams. For beams, I consider only single member. That is 450 by 0.3. Add, close, and selection, beams parallel to X, and select beams parallel to Y. If it is different type of dimension, then you can go with the same procedure, new view, and do the shapes. Observe the building. It's your building. Okay, hotel, rooms, they may be designed. Okay. Now let's go the remaining procedure. Supports. For support, it's a fixed support only because concrete structure. Set as front view. Select the bottom node points. Assign to selected beam. Assign, yes. And coming to the next part, load and definition. And wind analysis, you can go with the dead load, live load, then go to definitions, window definitions, and wind directions, x positive to x negative, z positive to z negative. Now today, seismic analysis. In that seismic analysis, directly go with the definitions. Okay, directly go with the definitions. Don't do any mistakes here. Directly go with the definition. Here, select the seismic definition. Click on add. Select the codebook. Click on generate. Here you can enter your research data or codebook data. Now generally you can go with the zone wise, otherwise city wise, that is as per your wish. I go with the city wise, and my city in this Kundam Goa on the, yeah, my city is Goa and it is in zone 3 because 0.16 value is the zone 3. And response reduction is, we have two types, OMRF and SMRF. I go with the SMRF. Special RC movement. RC means concrete structure, not Ram Charan. And importance factor, all general buildings and importance building. And our value is 1.5. All general building value is 1. Importance building is 1.5. If you are going to the seismic, you can go with the importance factor. Otherwise, you can go with the all general buildings only. And next, soil type. You can go to the site and do the calculations for soil, all the compaction, consolidation, sewage test, and okay, CBR test, dolly test. We have a lot of tests. Then you can find out the soil type. And damping ratio, it is a fixed 5% or 0.05. For steel, 2%, 0.02. And foundational depth, how much I consider? 2.8, and yesterday 2. And if it is in seismic zone, how many seconds the earth is vibrate? So in that time, here you can enter. Otherwise, click on generate. Now click on add. Up to here, you have a clarity, and yesterday topic also. I think you practiced these all things. I hope that. Otherwise, please be practiced today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. Now, Seismic definition is completed. Who's that? Please be muted. Yeah. So in wind, we can go with the dead load, live load, wind directions in load case, and definition is wind. For seismic, directly we go with the definitions. Then it will be ask the different type of load definitions. Means dead load and live load only, but do not enter indirectly. We can enter the directly. Directly means when you click on add, it shows this window. Okay, directly it shows the window. And for suppose it is not open automatically, then uninstall the software and install it again. Okay. Now, what are the things in dead load? Self-weight and wall load. Wall load is depending on our structure. It's a commercial structure. Front side is glass model totally. So glass weight is 2 kilonewton and 3 kilonewton only per meter. And here I consider all the wall loads are 6.25. Please be observed and mind it. These all things are for your basic explanational things. When you go to the realistic drawings, each member also may be different for load cases. Okay, then you can go with new view and apply the loads or what we call column dimensions, beam dimensions, whatever. Okay, as per the dimensions, we can explain this model. It may be 3 to 4 classes also. So that is the reason I consider directly 6.25 add. And next floor load. In floor load, we have dead and live both. So here you can enter the both the things. For dead, minimum 3 ranges of ranges. Top range 35, X direction 30 almost, Z direction also 35. So type it. I go with 36 round figure, Y direction. X direction I go with the round figure 30. Z direction I will go with round figure 34. And some PhD persons and MTech project persons, they go with the each and every floor calculation. Okay, each and every floor means 0 to 3, 3 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 9, 9 to 12. Like that, they go the analysis purpose. Okay, manually and same thing for PhD persons and research persons. And live load value is 2. Okay, no confusion. Only we are entering in definitions only. Dead load and live load also. Once again, after complete the 3 steps, go to load and definition left side, right side definitions, seismic definition, click on add. Here, select the code book, click on generate and enter your values. I selected Goa and SMRF, importance building value 1.5, soil property, I go with the medium, and structural type is a RC structure, it is a steel, you can go with the steel. Damping ratio 5%, foundational depth I already consider 1.8, and if it is in seismic zone, you can enter the seismic vibrational time, add. Then click on add. Automatically it shows the dead load, live load parameters. Otherwise, you can uninstall the software and install it. Now check it out. Now I click on add. See, directly it's open. Now what are the things here? Self weight, joint weight, member load, element weight, reference, and floor load. Now what are the parameters of our dead load and live load? Self weight, wall load or member weight, and floor load. Now coming to self weight. Here do not enter the minus value because we are calculating earth only. There is no gravity in earth. Okay, in earth above parts are we have a gravity. Now self weight is 1. Click on add. Member weight, it's a uniform force. Uniform force means wall load. It's a my model is totally glass structure. That is the reason I go with 6.25 to average of wall load. And floor load for dead and live, both the things. For dead load, I consider 3 kilonewton per meter square, and ranges, Y range 36, X range 30, Z range 34. Add. In this type of commercial buildings, they calculate depending on the purpose also. For example, okay, first finish this one, 2, 3 and 2. Now set as front view. Now it's your total building, right? It's your total building. And if you visit any hotels or Banjaras, Jubilees, Metro City like that, here parking and entry. Okay, here right side we have only little part, right? Here entry and exit part. In cinema halls, movie theaters also like this type of models only. So car comes to here and drop and go. Then you can enter your hall. When you enter the hall, so when you look it up outside, top side, it will be open space. Okay, when you visit 5-star hotels, you know these all things, and IELTS exam, GRE exams also, you know this type of structures. Okay, otherwise you can, once you can visit any hotels like this, or yeah, maximum hotels only. Tourist hotels also like this model only. And next, these all are the here left side and right side, you can observe. Okay, left side and right side we have extra slabbing area, slab and column beam area. Okay, these are the ventilations. Came under what? Parapet ventilation, verandas. Okay, veranda type. Okay, and for interior design, here we have glass. Okay, for floor is common, glass and remaining things. And when you see the movies also, ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫ్యామిలీ ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఫ్యామిలీ ఉంటుంది, ఇద్దరు సైడ్ కొట్టుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. Okay, and coming to next part, first 2 and 3 floors are common buildings, means for rest purpose, guest room purpose, hotel, food area, gym area, and interior games like that they maintain, and function hall, assembly, like that they do in 2 to 3 floors, and remaining 3 floors are rooms. Okay, normal rooms. When visit foreigners or like that, they take 5-star hotels like this only. Now coming to our seismic. So after complete the seismic adding, here we have only one question mark, that is our uniform load. Uniform load means wall load. Wall loads are we are applied in beams, X and Z directions, sustained to selected beam, sustain is. Okay, in seismic, if you are not construct the wall also, you can do the analysis, because some next year or after 10 years also maybe you construct the wall in that beam. So that is the reason maximum all the beams we cover the wall load. Then next procedure is common, X positive direction, X negative direction, Z positive direction, and Z negative direction. Now add it. Load case detail, click on add. Loading type, seismic. Now X positive direction, add. X negative direction, add. Z positive direction, add. And Z negative direction, add. Close. Okay, because earthquake comes anywhere. Okay, we don't know. That is the reason we add all the directions. Now first I go with the X positive, click on add. This process is same as wind analysis only. Go with the seismic load. Here we have X direction, Y direction, and Z direction. Okay, we already discussed. Seismic means any type of vibrations, right? So it may be borewell vibrations or railway track vibrations, this elementary metro vibrations, and earthquake, volcanoes, like this. In volcanoes, ముందు some holes వస్తాయి కదా, హోల్ లాగా పడి పొగ వస్తూ ఉంటుంది. So in that condition you can go with the Y direction. And some of the foreign countries, they do tornado analysis also. Tornadoes, they consider the seismic Y direction. I think you know the tornadoes, Sudigalu. Okay, for tornadoes, you can go with the y direction also, but maximum in our India, there is no any tornado effects. Now select here x direction because we already added x positive, x negative, z positive, z negative. Same procedure, factor is 1, add, close. And next, x negative direction, add, seismic, x direction only, but minus means minus 1. Add, close. And z, seismic, z direction. Positive means positive 1, add, close. And next, negative, z direction, minus 1 means z negative direction, add, close. Like this, you can add in load case detail. Do not add anything. Okay, apart from this, do not add anything. If you add anything, it shows some error. Okay, and once you can practice also, you can add dead load and live load like that. Then only you can feed your mind. Okay, so it not shows any arrow marks. In wind analysis, it shows some arrow marks, right? But seismic, it not shows any arrow marks because after earthquake, it shows some arrows. Means analysis, after complete the analysis only. So do the analysis, maybe errors రావచ్చు. రావు. Zero errors. Maybe I have experience, so no errors. So you people also do carefully. Otherwise, you can get the errors. Now go to post-processing mode. Done. Okay. Escape. Here you can observe it's a deflection drawing. Okay. Deflection drawing. For scaling, control and scroll button. Control and scroll button like this. Okay. It's just a drawing. Okay. Building can't be collapsed like that. Then can't be moved like that. Just an example. It is in x, z negative direction and z positive direction, x positive direction and x negative direction. Like that, you can go with the different type of analysis here. And in left side, we have an animation, deflection animation, like this, dancing building, x positive direction, z positive direction, z negative direction. Okay. So that is animation. In left side, we have an animation. Okay. Left side animation. Then come back to modeling, general, and x positive, x negative, select like this, arrow marks. Now take it as a screenshot, do the presentations. And if you want the values, post processing only. Otherwise, after complete the analysis, we have 3 options, right? Yeah. So we have 3 options: output file, go to post processing mode, and stay in model. So after complete, go to post processing mode and check the result, all the things. Then go to output file. Here you have the values. 128 pages, result, apply loads. These all are the seismic apply loads. 007 support values. Okay, 1, 2, 3 for x positive, x negative, z positive, z negative. Apply loads and reactions. Otherwise, you can double click on beam, check the values. Okay, do not confuse these type of drawings because when you go to the dead load and live load, it's directly act on a beam. That is the reason deflection drawing is different. Dead load, shear drawing and bending moment drawings are different. When you go to the wind analysis and seismic analysis, mean dynamic analysis, we call it as a dynamic analysis. Advanced dynamic analysis, in bending moment drawing will be like this. It's not a shear. Please be remember, it's not a shear. So here you can observe the value almost 1.10, 0.86. In previous, yesterday we got it only 0.01 like that only values. But here some little bit value. No problem, you can go to the real-time structure. And in our real-time structure, okay, because it is already constructed in real time, 2016 only, because 2012 it started, 15 completed, 16 is opening. So when you go to in real time, it is in Warangal. It's hotel is Warangal. Total backside and middle. Okay. Total backside and middle, lift area and staircase area also. Total shear wall design it is. Okay. When you go to those calculations, the building will be safe. Now in that time, you can check the shear force and bending moment values, 0 point something value only, not above one value, 0 point something value only, but not analyzed in StatPro. Those calculations analyzed in ETAP software. The high rigid buildings and high structures, G plus 15, that is, and go with the design. Okay, so this is seismic analysis. Maintain seismic analysis file is different. Dead load, live load, wind load file is different. Okay, do not club both the things. And if you want to club, just change the name, do not apply the definitions. And for wind definition, you can go with the IS 875 Part 3 codebook. Seismic analysis, you can go with the 1893 codebook. And common point is directions, X positive, X negative, Z positive, Z negative. Okay. If you need only X direction, you can go with only X direction also. And here we miss one step. What is that? Combination. Okay, I forgot the combination step. You can do the combination also. And please be practice this model only. G plus 15 it is. G plus 15. Do the G plus 15 model. G plus 15. Apartment designs also almost like this only. And each side we have 2 BHK, 3 BHK plots commonly, but not front design. Front design, it is maximum hotels, hospital, colleges, engineering colleges, maximum like this only. Here we have a steps and we go with the inside. Done. So these all things are superstructural analysis part. But please be practice tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. And Monday we go with the water tank designs. Okay, we have only two options in water tank: generate surface meshing and value. How to apply the value? Only two things. And Tuesday or Wednesday we go with the foundation. 2 days up to 9th or 10th it's completed. No problem. Doubts also. Okay. Only one class, total doubts. I hope you understand. Okay, don't take it as a light for seismic. Okay. So keep my notes and do practice. How much it is? G plus 15 building. G plus 15 building, and you can go with M30 grade of concrete and F5 550 grade of steel. Okay, you can go with this design. What are the calculations? Dead load and live load is one file. And again, you can open StatPro freshly. And step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4 is dead load, live load, and wind load. And save it, up to concrete design, then open again newly, go with the seismic. Please do not neglect, because when you go to the interviews like that, your work will be like this only. Each beam to whole design, whole procedure this is. Okay. See you on Monday.